What's up everyone, Ibby here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a gaming keyboard and it's by NPET. Apparently they have, according to the box, a passion for gaming. And this keyboard is water resistant, it's multifunction, USB 2.0 and multicolor RGB. It's also the 104 key standard layout for the United States. So let's get this open. Apparently they have no tape, actually, I just noticed that. If you're gonna ship a box without the cardboard box, at least put tape. That's the least you can do. So this is a mechanical keyboard. Let's open this. So I know there are higher options out there, but this is a cheap $20 keyboard. You could just find it online and buy it. So here we have a card saying happy and not happy and not happy, yeah. And there's the user manual. This is the NPET K10 gaming keyboard. So let's get this out. So the keyboard is pretty heavy. It also seems pretty strong. The back is an aluminum plate, which kind of gives you that sense of security. You could also, it also comes with this key thing, so you could sort of take off your keys whenever you want to switch them out or something. And this is the switch type. This sort of pushes into the hole, and then it kind of sends the information over to whatever device you're using. This also seems like a pretty long cable. Let's get this opened up. The cable is braided, which means it's pretty strong, and that's a plus for the company. I really like the fact that it's braided. So this is not a bad cable. You could always buy a USB extender if you need. So I'm gonna plug this into my laptop and we're gonna see how well it works. So here I have my ancient 5-year-old laptop, as you can see. So this keyboard also has little stands on the back, so you could kind of open them and just let it sit at an angle, even though it already sits at a very slight angle. So let's plug this in, see how well it works. So I'm gonna plug this in. This is USB 2.0. Okay, we got some nice lighting here. You could switch the lights to whichever one you want, and you could turn it off as well. Let's see, isn't this? Nope. The lights also fade in and out to whatever you want, and you can change the speed. So let's just try typing. The most basic thing of what a keyboard should do. QWERTY. Alright, good so far. It works. Not bad. I'm surprised. The keys are plastic though. That's the only downside. But the keyboard does work pretty well. Not bad. So here's what the keys look like as you get close up to it. The color is very vibrant and it looks very nice. And we have this sort of menu thing here, so as you see, number lock is on and now it's off. And then you can turn cap lock on and off. So it indicates what status is on your keyboard as of right then. So we have a very nice color gradient, and you can switch them out as you will. And you can also turn them on to gradient right here. And yeah. So overall this keyboard is pretty good. I do like the style and the colors and everything. Only thing is the keys make some noise and they're kind of plastic, but it's still not that bad. It's a little treasure to have. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you in the next one.